Chanel envelope bag. While we have spotted endless of gorgeous handbags in the spring-summer 2020 collection, there might still be a few bags that we have not discovered yet. One of them is this brand new Chanel envelope bag. It's cute, practical and classy. What do you see? The body is flat diamond quilted while the center features the iconic CC logo. The design looks quite classic thanks to the woven chain leather strap. There is a curved front flap and it's refined in smooth leather. The bag comes with a back pocket as well. Such a gorgeous bag is ideal as an everyday bag. It's not too big and not too small, yet it can be matched with any outfit. It's ideal for casual, but it wouldn't be shy when joining your formal meetings or events. We don't have the detail like prices and sizes, so please check with SA for more details.